Did you know that some of the biggest things you believe about food are actually false? Carbs make you fat. All fats are bad. Skipping meals helps you lose weight. These myths have confused millions of people and maybe even you. But don't worry. Today we'll bust these lies and I'll give you simple meal prep tips to make healthy eating super easy. Myth 1. Carbs make you fat. Truth? Your body needs carbs for energy. The problem isn't carbs, it's eating too many refined carbs like white bread, pastries, and sugar. Switch to whole grains, oats, and fruits. They give you energy and keep you full longer. Myth 2. All fats are bad. Wrong again. Your brain and hormones need healthy fats like nuts, olive oil, and avocado. The real villains are trans fats from fried and processed junk. So don't fear fats, choose the right ones. Myth 3. Skipping meals helps weight loss. Actually, skipping meals slows down your metabolism. It can even make you overeat later. Eating balanced meals in the right portions keeps your body burning energy steadily. Now, here's how to make life easier with meal prep. Cook once, eat twice. Make a big batch of dal, grilled chicken, or stir-fry veggies. Store them in boxes for 2-3 meals. Chop fruits, veggies on weekends, and store them in the fridge. Quick snacks, no excuses. Carry a snack box with nuts or boiled eggs saves you from junk food temptations. Healthy eating doesn't have to be hard. It's about smart prep, not perfection. Imagine this. No more guilt after eating. No more confusion with fad diets. Just energy, confidence, and meals that actually make you feel good. Your health isn't built in a day. It's built in every small choice you make, one meal at a time. Tell me in the comments, what's the biggest food myth you believed in? Don't forget to subscribe for more health, life hacks, and explore our playlists on fitness, nutrition, and self-growth. Thanks for watching. And remember, healthy food is happy food.